Hi guys, I am Mehul Gajjar. I am a team lead in Sapphire. I am having 15 people in my team and I am dealing with the various technologies like C#, ASP.NET, MVC, .NET Core, Umbraco, AWS, Solar and many more. I have involved in managing a team and provide guidance to the team and ensuring the delivery end to end with good quality and zero tolerance. Sapphire plays a vital role in my professional growth by fostering supporting environment, providing a learning opportunity and performance recognition and achievements, mentoring the sessions, challenging a project, collaboration with the different IT sectors and feedbacks, and offering a clear path of the career. These type of elements combine me and an environment and conductivity to individual development and success to our IT industries. Best part of being a team lead in a Sapphire is they provide a full control of management the team. Sapphire never do a micromanagement. They are fully trusted on their team leads. So I can give a full transparency and clear goal to my team. Sapphire sets a pure and perfect goal to their team lead. So the team lead provide a proper goal to their subordinates. My team, my goal and my success I directly attach to the Sapphire growth and Sapphire success. People are willing to work in this hassle-free and clear focus and environment. Sapphire is truly employee-centric organization, where employees are always being enjoying their work. Sapphire is highly skilled manager and leaders which provide you a platform for boosting your career in IT sector. Whether you are a lead or you are an individual contributor of the company. So if you have that spark, learning attitude and confidence, so lot of opportunity are waiting for you. Come and join us now.